Only on Wall Street could you get a spectacular set of employment numbers, and the only thing anyone's worried about is recession. Even though the averages rebounded today from their lows, Dow gaining 140 points, the S&P advancing 0.34%, NASDAQ actually inching up 0.29%, this market feels like crazy town, as seemingly every single analyst vies to see who can be the most negative. I hate it. Things just aren't that bad. But there's nothing totally nutty about the negativity. I mean, I get it. Look, I mean, you have to understand, Wall Street's right to worry about a recession. It's on everybody's mind. Why? Because analysts and money managers don't care about the rearview mirror, even when it's something that happened this very morning at 8:30, like the Labor Department's terrific non-farm payrolls report. It was terrific. The professionals only care about the future. And from their perspective, positive economic news right now, it is terrible economic news tomorrow. Remember, we're sinners in the hands of an angry Federal Reserve right now. If we'd gotten a weak labor report, then Fed Chief Jay Powell could be less ruthless about hitting the brakes on the economy to kill inflation now. To portfolio managers, a strong labor report means the rate hikes will have to be even more aggressive. They see that as very negative. I get that too. And that's how you end up with this good news is bad news environment. But there's less the truth. It's actually more of a product of some rigor, of less than rigorous kind of a zeitgeist. See, Wall Street's tendency is for binary thinking. Either things are amazing or they're awful. No middle ground. It's not just the labor report. This week was all about many things that haven't happened yet. Slower auto purchases, lighter phone sales, a collapse in home buying, the end of the PC. Now, I do believe that our economy is headed for a slowdown. That's just what rate hikes do. But a slowdown doesn't necessarily translate into a horrific crash landing recession. As someone who's been addicted to black and white thinking my whole life, regardless of pharmacology, I know that's the wrong approach. There are many ways the situation can play out that don't end in a full-blown recession.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.